I'm trying to take a video, but can you put it anywhere so I can actually put it?
Well, that's not working.
Yeah, but I can't. I would have to go like that, I mean. It'll fall over. Hey guys, I'm playing Assassin's Creed. No, I mean Watch Dogs. And decided to take a video, so yeah. It's on Xbox 360. He's hungry? Here. Do you want a man? Sorry, it's a bit hard to say up if you heard me talking. So my little brother's got a PS3 and has room, and he's got Little Big Planet 2 and 3. No, he's got a Little Big Planet 2 and 1. So yeah. Okay guys, so I just want to play with Here's the so yeah. Sorry, it's a bit hard to keep this going like that. Sorry, I haven't been talking very well on Roblox videos, like, because it takes a while to, so, it takes a while to actually talk because I'm on an iPad.
That's cute and all, but I'm disappointed, Jackson. I mean, you failed to spot the nasty interchange drama.
So,
sense. Get mad again. No, too late.
I feel like
God is ahead.
these
We are at home.
spearmint.
So, cops arrive, and Maurice's little band of brothers over there. Jordan, I'm gonna be joking. No, I called him too. Look, we get a messy altercation at the end of the game. You and I slip away undetected. I'll appreciate the plan. Punctual cops. Let's get out of here. Maurice, what do I look like, a chauffeur? He's a shooter.
Well, guys, it's a little violent, so I don't think this video should be for kids. Yeah.
Happy?
Need a little bit of help.
Use this. Put your discs on it if you want.
Yeah, please.
You want me to put it in it now? Off
Yeah.
your bed? And then you can get
Not
on your
this one. No, wait. Not Assassin's Creed because Watch Dogs because that's what I'm thinking.
bed. Assassin's Creed? Is this Assassin's Creed?
Yeah.
This?
Yeah.
No, what are you playing?
No, Watch Dogs. So you can put Assassin's Creed away.
But it's Watch Dogs is still in there. So you sure you're playing Watch Dogs?
Yes, there's 2 discs in there.
Mm.
2 Watch Dogs. Weird. You must have had 2 Watch Dog things. Here. Here, Mum. What's this?
Watch Dogs.
Mum, what's this?
It's Shannon's.
What are you doing?
I'll just leave that. Yeah, you can climb up in your bed and do it if you want.
Oh, that's what I'm doing.
You don't need to get under the covers, though. Which you can if you want. Right, you quite happy?
You take the video.
Well, go and give me the...
Sorry guys, that was my mum. Damn, right. I think we should play another game soon. We are sitting. Guys, any recommended games, I'll play them. So, like, if I need to buy them, I'll tell you. I'm gonna play Battlefield 4, if you want, or Battlefield 3 Limited Edition is what I'm gonna play again. So yeah, I'll show you it's limited edition. Yep. So it's got 2 disc things. Battlefield Limited Edition. Xbox 360. Right guys, we have to wait until it's ready. So, and until it's ready to play. It says Xbox Live, but guys, I'm gonna end the video here. So if you like the video, stay tuned for our next video.